This experience has changed my outlook on culture and life itself.
I recommend this to absolutely anyone.
This experience totally changed my life for the better.
My experience in Ireland was incredible. I learned a lot of different things about culture, about their culture, about my own culture, and I feel as though now that I've come back to Canada, I feel as though I'm a better person. After taking the IDI assessment, I learned to not just see the differences between cultures and people, but also to start taking the time to understand why there's differences and how we can be better and change the ways we think so that everyone can feel accepted and included.
What we did is we completed a hackathon, and so the idea behind a hackathon is you bring in a bunch of different people with different experience, educational background and such. And so we crashed an idea, and our idea revolved around homelessness and how we could solve it. And so on the first day we picked the idea, created how we were going to try to solve the problem. On our second day we worked on a presentation and ironed out all of the kinks. And then on the third day, after 2 short days, we actually presented it and pitched the idea. And so in the end, I think we came out with a great idea, a feasible solution, and we were all really proud of what we completed.
One of the very memorable parts of our Ireland trip was a hackathon. So during the hackathon, we met in group sessions that carried on for, I guess, a little over a week, and we collaborated on a problem of ours. So for us, we specifically chose just bike theft because bike theft is a huge issue, and we want to promote more bike sustainability, people being comfortable using their bicycles to travel to school. During this problem and then further solution to it, we learned a lot. We developed a lot. We went through some challenges, we went through some problem solving, and ultimately it was a good experience just presenting it after going through such a brainstorming session with our colleagues in Ireland.